How to A or B test your Shopify store with Google Optimize. I am going to show you how you can easily test your Shopify store with Google Optimize. If you haven't already, sign up for a Google Optimize account. You will need a Google account to do this. Once you have your Google Optimize account set up, you will need to install the Google Optimize code snippet on your Shopify store. You can do this by adding the code to the head section of your theme. Liquid file in your Shopify theme editor. Log in to your Google Optimize account and create a new experiment. Give your experiment a name and select the type of experiment you want to run: A or B test, multivariate test, and etc. Create different variants of the page you want to test. For example, if you are testing the homepage, you might create one variant with a different headline and another variant with a different call to action button. Define the goals that you want to track for your experiment. This could be things like conversion rate, click-through rate, or revenue. Specify the audience you want to target for your experiment. You can target all visitors and specific segments, or even create custom audience targeting rules. Once you have set up your experiment variants, objectives, and targeting, you can launch your experiment. Keep an eye on your experiment results in Google Optimize. Monitor how each variant is performing against your defined objectives. Once your experiment has gathered enough data, analyze the results to determine which variant performed best. Use these insights to make data-driven decisions about your Shopify store. If one variant significantly outperformed the others, consider implementing it as the new default version of your page. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and subscribe.